man. This Johnny Snow in the building. And right now, I'm getting ready to compare this with some of my other MPAs. All right. So that's my MPA30DMG. And there you go. Get a better look at it. It's the MPA30DMG. And it is a little bit bigger than the Grim Reaper, which is a MPA30t, MPA30t, MPASSXX, or something like that. I have the actual in the description or whatever. Yeah. Matter of fact, let me get them off this table and go ahead and show these things to you. All right, so now we in a more comfortable setting and we're gonna go over these guns. All right, let me start out. We'll start out with the big dog. All right. All right, this right here is the big dog right here. This is MasterPiece Arms MPASSXXTT, some long designation like that. And as you see, this thing is straight up Mac 10. It shoots 45 ACP, so it shoots bigger bullets, and this thing is heavy. It is heavy as all get out. It is heavy. But I will say this, it gets the job done, and it does not jam. It does not freeze up. It does not. It is ready to go. It is ready to go. This is a MasterPiece Arms. And I will say this, it is one of those guns where if you run out of bullets, just start swinging the gun. You're gonna get somebody if you start swinging the gun. And this also has a little trigger condom on it and everything. And as you see, it has the 16-inch barrel, and it has the adjustable butt stock on it and everything. And it came from the factory like this. Well, I actually changed the shroud that was over it. I did not like the plastic shroud that they had on it. It was kind of ugly, so I changed that out, make it look a little bit better, which this is still a work in progress. So we gonna see how this one turns out. But, you know, let me know if this is your favorite out of the few that I'm showing today. Now, this is all MasterPiece Arms, and this right here is my 30 DMG, MPA30DMG. This one has the side cocker, and they empty. Yeah, and you can see how this one is a little different from the other one. I'll put them up beside each other, let you guys get a good comparison. But this one right here is what started me loving MasterPiece Arms, you know. And with that being said, that's why I bought the big one, because I like this one so much. Yeah, and this has never jammed up, never went wrong in anything. And one of the reasons I believe why is because a lot of people told me that you got to make sure you get good magazines. So I always use better magazines in this one, and I didn't buy any cheap magazines. So with that being said, don't cheap out on the magazines, because they'll make you hate your gun, make you think your gun is crap. But it could just be a crappy magazine. So this right here, like I said, has a trigger condom on it. And let's see. Pull the trigger. Then let's see. It has a slight reset. That's why bump firing this is so easy. Bump firing it is easy because of the trigger reset. It is ready for bump fire, if that's what you want to do with this, you know, because you got a good trigger. That's what you want to do. If you want to run through all your bullets, and you know, you can do that. it'll definitely do it. But this is the MPA30DMG 30, and it is awesome. I love this gun. I love this gun. This is one of my favorite bedside weapons. One of my favorite bedside weapons. So if you want to get something reliable and that can hold, you know, a substantial amount of ammunition, right now we're running 20 round magazines. 20 round magazines. Sometimes you can squeeze it and get, you know, really press it and get like 24, but your thumbs are not gonna like it. So, you know, roughly around 20 rounds, and, you know, between 20 and 25, I'll put it. But, you know, that is enough, you know, especially when you have several magazines. So, this is an awesome gun. Awesome, awesome, awesome gun. And I suggest that if you see one for sale, get it. This is the tungsten model. You know, this, let's see if you see the light. This is the tungsten model of the MPA30DMG. MPA30DMG. Check it out. Now, to the newest addition, which is my Grim Reaper. I got the Grim Reaper, and I actually just put the blue laser on it. Let's see if you can see the blue laser back there. Yeah, you can see the blue laser. The blue laser is, yeah, that is awesome. I love that blue laser. I love the blue laser. You know, so let me let you get a closer look at the blue laser. It has magnetic charging, and it fits right there, so it's easy to just tap it with your finger. Yeah, and it's almost like it was made for this gun. It was almost like it was made for this gun. This is MasterPiece Arms MPA30t GR, the Grim Reaper edition, two-tone. Two-tone Grim Reaper edition, two-tone with the laser on it. There's the laser right there. This laser is awesome. I like this laser. And here, I'll let you guys read that if you can. It says, smile, wait for the flash. Wait for the flash. So, yeah, I really do like this gun. I think it was a good pickup. I think it was a great pickup to the collection. And now we rolling with 3 MPAs. I'm gonna see if there's another one out there that I like, you know, because I saw one that was like a mini, I don't know what it was called, but it was smaller than all of these. And it's like, now I gotta get my hands on the small one. Gotta get my hands on the itty bitty one. So I will be looking for that. And that'll probably be one of the next guns I pick up. I wanna showcase a couple of differences. This gun right here is bigger and heavier than this gun. This gun right here, side cop, top cop, side cop, top cop. This gun right here, I have not shot yet because I just picked it up. I've shot over 1,000 rounds through this one, and it is awesome. So I am having the same high hopes for this one. Same high hopes. And, you know, with my big dog, I don't have no issues with the 45 ACP going through it. No issues with 45 ACP going through it. But, you know, these are some awesome guns. They fit on the side of, you know, in the passenger side. They fit right in the crease of your seat while you're driving or whatnot. And it's awesome. You jump out, put the beam on, you good. You know, the beam is awesome. The beam is awesome. So, of course, I got to put one of these beams on here. But you guys comment, tell me which one is your favorite. I am really liking my Grim Reaper right now, but that's just because I've been wanting one for the longest. But I don't have a favorite out of these 3. No favorite. I can't pick a favorite. So you guys tell me which one is your favorite out of these, and hit me up in the comments. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, go and hit that subscribe, go and hit that like, go and hit the notifications, and make sure you come back to see what I got coming down the pipeline, because it's gonna be awesome. I love this laser. All right, Johnny Snow up out of here.